Welcome where curiosity becomes dangerous. We live inside the Milky Way galaxy, a swirling city of stars, 100,000 light-years wide, home to billions of suns. It feels eternal, stable, unshakable. But galaxies are not static. They move. They drift. And one is heading straight for us. Astronomers know it already. The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way. It won't happen for billions of years. But what if it happened tomorrow? Let's imagine the greatest cosmic crash in history, step by step, if two galaxies collided while humanity was still here to witness it. Stage 1, the first signs. At first, the night sky begins to change. A faint smudge of light grows brighter each evening. Within weeks, Andromeda stretches across the horizon like a ghostly river of stars. People panic. Rumors spread online, another galaxy is coming, and for once the rumors are true. Stage 2, the dance of giants. Galaxies are not solid objects. They are seas of stars, dust, gas, and dark matter. When Andromeda slams into the Milky Way, stars don't collide like cars. They drift past one another. But gravity pulls everything into chaos. Constellations dissolve. Familiar skies disappear. Planets shift in orbit. Moons escape. Some star systems are flung into intergalactic space, severed from both galaxies, doomed to wander forever in darkness. Stage 3, chaos for Earth. For Earth, gravity becomes a dice roll. Our planet could be dragged closer to the galactic core, bombarded by radiation, or even ejected entirely. Imagine Earth hurled into intergalactic void, no sun, no stars, just black silence. If we're unlucky, nearby stars pass too close. Their gravity distorts Earth's orbit, stretching days, freezing seasons, boiling oceans. Life becomes impossible. Stage 4, the black hole collision. At the heart of the Milky Way is a supermassive black hole. Andromeda has one too. When galaxies merge, their black holes spiral toward each other. As they dance, gravitational waves ripple across space, distorting Earth itself. If we're still here, we feel the planet stretching, compressing, quivering. When the two black holes collide, the energy released is beyond imagination, the single most powerful event the universe can produce. Stage 5, a new galaxy is born. Eventually, chaos settles. Stars form new patterns. Nebulae ignite with fresh suns. What was two galaxies becomes one, Milkdromeda, a single giant galaxy. But Earth? Maybe we survived. Maybe we were flung into exile. Or maybe we were vaporized in the storm. The irony is that galaxies colliding isn't rare, it's normal. The Milky Way itself was born from ancient mergers. The night sky we know exists only because of cosmic violence. The cosmic joke. We worry about traffic, bills, and politics, but above us, galaxies are smashing into each other all the time. The universe is not peaceful. It is collision, chaos, and rebirth. And if Andromeda collided with us tomorrow, we wouldn't have centuries to prepare. We'd have a front row seat to the most spectacular and final light show in history. So what if the Milky Way collided with another galaxy tomorrow? Civilization wouldn't just end, it would be erased by beauty. And if you don't want to drift into galactic chaos, hit like and subscribe. It won't stop galaxies from colliding, but it will keep your curiosity alive.